viewer, in this video tutorial I will add a paint there. So let's make the selection, adding that design. Let's explore the changes there. We will find it using that shapes. So there is a structure here. Use an eraser tool. Here we have to make another changes. Let's add a paint there. So these are the blocks we are making into it. Using that attractive design, add a paint with it. Let's generate the shapes.